Good morning to one all. Today I am going to discuss with you the number system. In that we have concept 1.3 rational numbers. So if you are not watched the previous videos, can please watch the videos and subscribe the channel and share to your friends. So those are these videos are very help to you in the exams time. Okay. So now I am going to discuss descriptive questions Ncert. In that first question we have give four rational numbers equivalent to. So we need to write equivalent rational numbers for each of the given rational number. So minus 2 by 7 they given, and the second question we have 5 by minus 3, and in that third we have 4 by 9. Okay, so you can write Roman letter. Okay, so now first when we are writing a equivalent rational number, so we should write the given rational number in the standard form. So it is 2 comma 7. Is there any cancellation? No. So those are co-primes. And is Q is positive? Yes. So it is in the standard form. So we can write 4 rational numbers, 4 equivalent rational numbers. How we are going to write? We need to multiply. So we return equivalent fractions. Yes, the same process. Here also we need to multiply the same number in the numerator and denominator. We will get equivalent rational numbers. That is into 2 into 2. That is minus 2 into plus 2, minus 4 by 14. And minus 2 by 7 by 3 by 3. So minus 6 by 21. Minus 2 by 7 into 4 into 4. So that is minus 8 by 28. Next, minus 2 by 7 into 5 into 5. So that is minus 10 by 35. Minus 10 by 35. These are the 4 equivalent rational number to the given number. Next, second one, 5 by minus 3. Check whether it is in the standard form or not. When the standard form of the rational number must be where Q not equal to 0 and Q should be positive, and P comma Q are co-primes. So these are the 3 conditions we need to check whether it is in the standard form or not. See here 5 comma 3 co-primes, there is no cancellation. Yes, Q not equal to 0 and Q is negative we have. So if it is a negative, how we are going to convert into positive here? See, just if you multiply with minus 1 in the numerator and minus 1 in the denominator, you will get the positive, no problem. See, if you are without doing that also we can do. So we know that is when you are dividing a positive integer by negative integer, we will get a negative value. Yes, minus 5 by 3. So this minus will come to the numerator. So minus 5 by 3. Now 3 is in the positive. So now we can write 5 by minus 3 equal to minus 5 by 3. So minus 5 by 3 equivalent rational number. So into 2 into 2, which is minus 10 by 6 minus 5 by 3 into 3 into 3. So which is equal to minus 15 by 9 and minus into 4 into 4. So that is equal to minus 20 by 12 and minus 5 by 3 into 5 into 5, which is equal to minus 25 by 15. Okay. Next, third question. So already it is in the standard form, 4 by 9. So Q not equal to 0, Q positive, and 4 comma 9 there is no cancellation. So it is in the standard form. So write the equivalent fraction by multiplying the same number in the numerator and denominator. So 8 by 18, 4 by 9 into 3 into 3. So 12 by 27 and 4 by 9 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 16 by 36 and 4 by 9 into 5 into 5, that is equal to 20 by 45. So these are the required 4 rational numbers for the given numbers. Okay. Next question. Okay. Now I am going to discuss second question, that draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. So we need to represent the given rational numbers on the number line. Okay. So we can represent the same denominator numbers on the same number line. Yes. So third question, first question have the same denominator. We can represent these 2 rational numbers on the same number line. Yes. And the second question, fourth question having the same denominator. So these 2 together we can represent on the same number line. See, first when you know that is how to represent integers on the number line. Yes, first you should draw a number line and represent the integers on the number line. So I am taking 0, 1, 2. I'm taking here minus 1, minus 2. Okay, see children, so now we are representing this rational number on the number line, so that we should divide the unit distance into 4 equal parts. Okay, because we have the denominator is 4, so that we need to divide 0 to 1 distance we have. This distance we can call as unit distance. So the same distance, how much distance we have between 0 and 1, the same distance will be between 1 and 2 and 2 and 3. Okay, similarly 0 and minus 1 also same distance, minus 1 to minus 2 also same distance. Okay, so like that we need to check. And we have, what is the denominator? We have 4, so we need to distance each distance as 4 equal parts. Okay, so each interval you can make 4 equal parts. So I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see here. Now we can write 0 as 0 by 4. Yes, and the next part we can represent as 1 by 4. Second part we can represent as 2 by 4. Third part we can write as 3 by 4. Fourth part is 4 by 4. So 4 by 4 is equal to 1 itself. This 1 and 4 by 4 must be coincide. Okay, the general mistake what you will do in the exam time or in the class work, see, you will represent 1 year and 4 by 4 year. These two values we have same. Okay, these two values have the same number, so we should, these two 4 by 4 and 1 should be always together only. So next part, after next part we can write as 5 by 4, next 6 by 4, next 7 by 4, next 8 by 4. So 8 by 4 is equal to 2. This 2 and 8 by 4 must be coincide. And similarly represent like the same manner the left side also. So this is minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4. When you are representing left side of the number line, we should represent with negative. Minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 4 by 4. Minus 4 by 4 which is equal to minus 1. Yes, so these two are together. And next minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4, minus 7 by 4 and minus 8 by 4. Minus 8 by 4 equal to minus 2. So this minus 2 and minus 8 by 4 are together. So do we get the required rational number on the number line? Let us check. 3 by 4. Do we have? Yes, 3 by 4 we have on the number line. And minus 7 by 4. Where is minus 7 by 4 on the number line? Here. So we have these two questions we can represent on the same number line. Okay. And when you are coming to the second question, so draw a number line. Draw a number line here. Minus 5 by 8. So first, so one is negative rational number, one is positive rational number we have. So draw a number line and represent the integers. So we need to make each part as 8 equal parts. So you can take more distance. 1, I'm taking here minus 1. Okay, I want to make 0 to 1 unit distance. I want to make your denominator how much we have? 8. So we need to make 8 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and left side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 equal parts we should make. Next, 0 we can write as 0 by 8 and 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8. In the similarly same, left side, minus 1 by 8, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 8, minus 4 by 8, minus 5 by 8, minus 6 by 8, minus 7 by 8, minus 8 by 8. Minus 8 by 8 is equal to minus 1. Yes. So do we get the required rational numbers on the number line? Yes. Minus 5 by 8 where we have here. Just you can mark it. And 7 by 8 where we have here. So we got the required rational numbers on the number line. So first we can check the denominator how much we have. Okay, so that many equal parts we need to do the each between the each intervals. Okay, so this is the procedure to represent the number line on the rational number on the number line. Okay, next question. Now I am going to discuss with you third question in that rational number. So in that first question we have minus 3 by 5 comma minus 2 by 5 comma minus 1 by 5 they given. So when we are in this question we have all denominators are same. So we are comparing the negative rational number. Yes. So if for negative rational numbers, if the denominator is same, in the numerator which is greater, that becomes greatest rational number. Okay. For negative rational numbers, in the denominator, if the denominators are equal, in the numerator which is greater integer, that becomes the greatest rational number. See here 5, 5, 5, all denominators are same. In the numerator which is greater, is minus 1 is greater or minus 2 is greater or minus 3 is greater. Minus 1 is the greater integer. So minus 1 by 5 becomes the greatest integer. Okay. So we need to write the given question in the which order they ask to write? Ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. So here what is the smallest integer? Minus 3. So minus 3 by 5 becomes the smallest rational number. So ascending order equal to minus 3 by 5 is less than minus 2 by 5 is less than minus 1 by 5. Yes. So when you are coming to the second question, here we have different denominators we have. So we need to convert them into, and different numerators also we have. So we need to make equal denominators. So that, so LCM of 3 comma 9 is, LCM of 3 comma 9 is 9. So here to get 9 into 3 into 3. So it becomes minus 3 by 9, and as it is minus 2 by 9, and this minus 12 by 9. So just now we discussed when we are comparing the negative rational numbers. If the denominator is same, in the numerator which is greatest integer, that becomes the greatest rational number. What is the greatest integer? Minus 2 is the greatest integer. So it is minus 2 by 9 is the greatest rational number. So what is the smallest integer? Minus 12. Minus 12 by 9 is the smallest rational number. So we are writing now ascending order. So in the numerator what is the smallest integer? Minus 12. So minus 12 by 9 is the smallest rational number. Minus 12 by 9 less than, minus 3 by 9 less than, minus 2 by 9. Okay. Now I am discussing third question in that. So minus 3 by 7 comma minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3 by 4. So if all numerators are same, in the denominator which is greater, we are comparing a negative rational number. Yes. So this is second case. If all numerators are same, in the denominator which is greater, that becomes greatest rational number. So here what is the greatest number? 7. So 7 minus 3 by 7 is the greatest rational number. Yes. So here what is the smallest number? 2. Minus 3 by 2 is the smallest rational number. So ascending order we have, then ascending order equal to, if numerator is same, just remember children, if numerator is same, in the denominator which is smaller, that becomes smallest for negative rational number. This is for only negative rational numbers. Okay. So positive rational numbers means in the if the numerator is same, in the denominator which is smaller, that becomes greatest. But when you are coming to the negative rational numbers, if the numerator is same, in the denominator which is greater, that becomes greatest, which is smaller, that becomes smallest. So ascending order becomes minus 3 by 2 less than minus 3 by 4 less than minus 3 by 7. Same process. Here numerator is same, we are comparing negative rational numbers. If numerator is same, in the denominator which is smaller, that becomes smallest rational number. So here 3 is the smallest, minus 3 by 7 is the smallest rational number. So minus 7 by 3 less than minus 7 by 6 less than minus 7 by 9 is the required answer for the third bit. Okay, next. Now I am going to discuss fourth question. We have fourth question. Rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. So in the simplest form is nothing but a standard form. So the standard form of the rational number, we have the conditions for the standard form. The rational number are, so that number should be in the p by q form, where q is not equal to 0, comma q should be positive, and p comma q are co-primes. Co-primes means there is no cancellation, further cancellation for numerator and denominator. See here, is there any cancellation or not? Yes. So 2 4s are 2 3s are, so minus 4 by 3. So minus 4 by 3. So q is not equal to 0 and q is positive. P comma q are co-primes. So that minus 8 by 6. Standard form of minus 8 by 6 equal to minus 4 by 3. Next question. So 25 by 45. Is there any cancellation we have? Yes. So 5 9s are 5 5s are. So 5 by 9. So check whether the q is not equal to 0 and q is positive and p comma q are co-primes. There is no cancellation. Yes, next here. Minus 44 by 72. So here, is there any cancellation? Yes, 4 11s are, 4 18s are. That is equal to minus 11 by 18. So is there any further cancellation? No. So here q is 18 is not equal to 0 and 18 is positive and 11 and 18 are co-primes. Next, 8th question. Minus 8 by 10. Is there any cancellation? Yes. 2 4s are, 2 5s are. Minus 4 by 5. Q not equal to 0 and Q 5 is positive number and 4 comma 5 are co-primes. So like this. We need to check when you are writing the standard form. We need to check these three conditions. Okay. Next, comparison of the rational numbers. So here minus 5 by 7 is here and 2 by 3. So we know that is always a negative rational number is less than a positive rational number. It is a negative rational number, it is a positive rational number. So it is minus 5 by 7 is less than 2 by 3. So both have negative rational numbers. So we have to make equal denominators. So 5 comma 7 LCM is 5 comma 7 LCM equal to 35. LCM of 5 comma 7 is how much? 35. So to get 35 into 7 into 7, that becomes minus 28 by 35, and this into 5 minus 25 by 35. In this, okay, so if the denominator is same when you are comparing the negative rational numbers, so if the denominator is same in the numerator, which is greater, that becomes greatest. What is the greatest integer? Minus 25. So what is the smallest integer? Minus 28. So minus 28 35 is the less than minus 25 by 35. Next, third question we have minus 8 by 5, here minus 7 by 4 we have. So find the LCM. LCM of 5 comma 4 equal to 20. So to get 20 into 4 into 4, that is minus 32 by 20. This is into 5 minus 35 by 20. If the denominator is same in the numerator, which is greater, that becomes greatest. So what is the greatest integer? Minus 32. So minus 32 is the greatest integer. Then minus 32 by 20 is the greatest rational number. Next. So 1 by minus 3 we have. So this is not in the standard form. So write in the standard form. So when you are writing the standard form, 1 by minus 3 we can write as minus 1 by 3. Yes, because positive by negative number, it is equal to negative value only will get minus 1 by 3, and this is minus 1 by 4. So when you are comparing the negative rational numbers, okay, if the numerator is same, in the denominator which is smaller, that becomes smallest rational, which is greater, that becomes greatest rational. So minus 3 is the smallest, so minus 1 by 3 is the smaller than minus 1 by 4. Okay, this is for negative rational numbers. Next, now I am discussing with you 6th question, that insert 3 rational numbers between the following. Okay, so when we are writing, if you want to write a insert between two rational numbers. If you want any other rational number, so we should follow 3 steps. Okay, in that first step we need to write the given rational number in the p by q. Write in p by q form. The given rational numbers we need to write in the p by q form. Second step, so make denominators are equal. Make the denominators are equal. So these 3 steps we need to follow. And next, second condition, and multiply with third condition, multiply with n plus 1 in numerator and denominator for both rational numbers. Okay, these 3 conditions we must follow. First condition, write in the p by q form. Second condition, make the denominators are equal. Third condition, multiply with n plus 1 in the numerator and denominator for both rational numbers. Okay, n plus 1 means how many rational numbers you want. Suppose 5 means 5 plus 1, 3 means 3 plus 1, 10 means 10 plus 1, like that. So we need to write every sum we have according to these 3 steps. First, we need to write in the p by q form. These 2 given rational numbers not in the p by q form, we should write. So minus 2, how we are going to write in the p by q form? Minus 2 by 1 and minus 1 by 1. Okay, and next, make the denominators are equal. Already we have the equal denominators. Yes, second step also finished. Third step, multiply with n plus 1. How many rational numbers we need? 3 rational numbers. So multiply with 4. Multiply with 4 in numerator and denominator. So it becomes minus 2 by 1 into 4 and minus 1 by 1 into 4 into 4. So then it becomes minus 2 into 4, minus 8 by 4, comma, minus 4 by 4. How many rational numbers you need? The required 3 rational numbers are, the required rational numbers are equal to, so what are the rational numbers between them? Minus 5 by 4 will be there, minus 6 by 4 also there, minus 7 by 4 between these. Yes, so these are the required 3 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. And now I am going to simplify second. When you are coming to the second question, minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3 we have. So already first step, write in the p by q form. Already these questions are in the p by q form. Make the denominators are equal. Is the denominators are equal? No. So how we are going to make the equal denominators? By finding the LCM. So LCM of 5 and 3 equal to 15. LCM of 5 and 3 equal to 15. So to get 15 into 3 into 3. So that becomes, I am directly writing. So I am not writing into 3 into 3. 4 into 3 minus 12 by 15 and into 5 minus 10 by 15. Next, second, what we are multiply with n plus 1. So multiply with 4 in the numerator and denominator. Multiply with 4 in numerator and denominator. Okay, it becomes minus 12 by 15 into 4 and minus 10 by 15 into 4 into 4. So between the minus 12 into 4, minus 48 by 60 and this one minus 40 by 60. So between the rational number, the required rational numbers between minus 48 by 60 and minus 40 by 60 are, so what are the rational numbers lies between them? Minus 47 by 60, comma, minus 46 by 60, comma, minus 45 by 60, minus 44 by 60, minus 43 by 60, minus 42 by 60, comma, minus 41 by 60. So we need 3 rational numbers. Out of these 7 you can write any 3 also. Okay. So going for next question. So p by q form, minus 1 we can write as minus 1 by 1, 0 we can write as 0 by 1. So second step also finished because denominators are equal. So multiply with numerator, multiply with 4 in numerator and denominator. So it becomes so minus 1 by 1 into 4 and 0 by 1 into 4 into 4. So then minus 1 into 4, 4 by 4, minus 4 by 4 and 0 into 4, 4 0 by 4. Between them the required rational numbers between minus 4 by 4 and 0 by 4 are minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4. Okay, these are the required three rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. Okay.